The world's tallest statue is located in Gujarat, India. Standing almost 600 feet tall, the Statue of Unity depicts Indian freedom fighter and politician Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, one of the most prominent leaders of the Indian independence movement, and the first Deputy Prime Minister of India. The Statue of Unity is a tribute to the Indian leader Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, unveiled on the 31st of October 2018. This statue is a patriotic symbol of the legacy of a man who spent his life in the struggle for freedom. As a mark of respect, statue is located at his birthplace in Gujarat. The statue is designed by Ram V. Sutar. The total amount for the project is $430 million. The statue stands 182 meters high, making it the tallest statue in the world. The Statue of Unity is approximately 4 times taller than New York's famous Statue of Liberty when plinths are discounted. The statue can be seen within a 7 kilometers radius. The total height of the structure is 240 meters, with a base of 58 meters, and the statue measuring 182 meters. The height of 182 meters was specifically chosen to match the number of seats in the Gujarat Legislative Assembly. It has been designed to withstand winds of velocity of 60 meters per second, and is also claimed to be earthquake resistant. A total of 22,500 tons of cement forms the core structure of this monument. The Statue of Unity is a much larger replica of a statue of the leader, installed at Ahmedabad International Airport. The iron used in the construction was collected from old farm equipment throughout India. A team of 700 Indian workers worked on the smelting and casting. Over 128,000 tourists visited the statue in the 11 days after its opening to the public on the 1st of November 2018. The daily average tourist footfall at Statue of Unity during November 2019 reached 15,036, outpacing the Statue of Liberty, which attracts around 10,000 daily visitors on average. It has been included in the Shanghai Cooperation Organization's 8 Wonders of SCO's list. In its first year of operation, the Statue of Unity attracted 290,000 visitors and collected 82 crore rupees in ticket revenue. By the 15th of March 2021, 5 million tourists visited the venue. The statue's height surpasses the Spring Temple of Buddha in Henan, China, which, at 420 feet, was previously the tallest statue in the world. Visitors can go up to the viewing gallery, which is located near the chest of the statue at a height of 500 feet. The Gujarat government reportedly relocated some 185 families to make way the statue, compensating them with 1,200 acres of new land. More than 2,000 Indian workers along with several hundred laborers from China contributed to the construction efforts. The scale of the project is reflected in the staggering size and weight of its materials. The statue's construction took 2,500,000 cubic feet of concrete, 5,700 tons of steel structure and 18,500 tons of reinforced steel rods. There are approximately 12,000 bronze panels covering the structure, weighing around 1,700 tons. The project has divided opinion in India, with some criticizing the government's public spending on the project and others protesting against the displacement of farmers to make way for the memorial. An outreach drive named the Statue of Unity Movement was started to support the construction of the statue. It helped collect the iron needed for the statue by asking farmers to donate their used farming instruments. By 2016, a total of 135 metric tons of scrap iron had been collected and about 109 tons of it was used to make the foundation of the statue after processing. A marathon titled Run for Unity was held on the 15th of December 2013 in Surat and Vadodara in support of the project. What do you think of this massive statue? Please tell us in the comments, and if you liked this video, subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.